Rinse the brisket under cold water and pat it dry. In a small bowl, combine the kosher salt, brown sugar, black peppercorns, mustard seeds, coriander seeds, red pepper flakes, minced garlic, and bay leaves. Rub the spice mixture all over the brisket, ensuring it's evenly coated. Place the brisket in a shallow dish and place it in the refrigerator. Let the brisket marinate in the brine for at least 3 days, turning it once or twice a day to ensure even brining. After the brisket has finished brining, remove it from the refrigerator. Rinse off the excess brine under cold water. Place the brisket in a pot and cover it with water. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Simmer the brisket gently for 2 to 3 hours or until it's tender. Slice the corned beef against the grain into thin slices. Serve it hot with your favorite sides, such as cabbage, carrots, and potatoes, or use it to make sandwiches. Enjoy your homemade corned beef.